The switch case in Python is called match. We are going to use it to create the France flag from this image of the Belgium flag. We will do so by replacing each color from the Belgian flag by a corresponding color from the France flag. For example, here we have the black value will be replaced by this Oxford blue. This school bus yellow will be replaced simply by this white, and this imperial red will be replaced by this fire engine red. So I used this tool to get the name of the colors, but you do not need the name. Actually, you need only the hex values. So with the match case statement, we will check each color. If it corresponds to one of the three, it will be replaced by the other one. If it's not the case, it will simply retain the value itself. First, we start by opening the image using image from Pillow. So you have to install Pillow, but you add this import from pil import image. We get the picture size in width and height values. Then we also get the color values by calling load from the created picture. Then we will look through the pixel values. We get first the RGBA values from each cell, and then we will convert it to a hex value. We will give it as an argument to the replace function that we defined. It will return another hex value that we have to convert again to an RGB value. Then we will put the new value in the picture. Then we will save the picture to the new image France flag.png. If we check the files, we can see that we have only the Belgium flag. So when we will run the code, we will have a new image created, the France flag. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.